Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. There is a trend that is continuing in this country when it comes to the judiciary. As times goes by, I believe that if this is the country now we are having, as much as we are concerned with judiciary, then we are no longer going to have judiciary in the Republic of Kenya. Judiciary is another arm of the government, and already the way I explained in last or previous videos, I said it very clear. William Ruto's intention is to capture all the arms of the government. We are having executive, which it is being led by him. We are having judiciary, led by Chief Justice Martha Koome. We are having legislature that is being led by two speakers, Senate and the National Assembly. I've realized that now Rigathi Gachagua is coming out to promise Kenyans that is going to ensure that Justice Esther Maina must be removed as the judge of the Republic of Kenya. At the same time, he's coming out to say that we've realized that now Rigathi Gachagua is taking an advantage. Now going after Justice Esther Maina, that she was the one who came out ruling about the scandal of 200 million Kenyan shillings of Rigathi Gachagua. And because the case of Rigathi Gachagua was withdrawn, now Rigathi Gachagua has decided that his aim is now to ensure that Esther Maina is going to be removed as the judge. As I was just listening to him, and I want you to listen to whatever Rigathi Gachagua is saying, then of course, we are going on a wrong direction as a country, where now the judiciary must not have a voice, they must not be independent. I want you to watch whatever Rigathi Gachagua is saying. But before we do that, ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching this video, you have not liked this video, please do me a favor, ensure you like this video. When you like this video, you automatically support the work of this channel. And of course, you are going to be recommended in YouTube platform. So I request you with humble heart, ensure you like this video. And of course, if you're a visitor for the first time visiting this channel, and you have not subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor, ensure you subscribe to this channel. Again, you like this video, you give your comment at the comment section below when it comes to this video, then ensure you share this video. I want you to watch whatever Rigathi Gachagua is saying.
Leader of majority amesema, it is true, Chief Justice ametuambia tulalamike. Tungetaka kumuuliza her leadership, Chief Justice, aambie wa Kenya how many complaints have been filed against judicial officers, how many she has dealt with, and what is the timeline to conclude those petitions. This is important. Amechallenge sisi tutoe ushahidi. I will lead by example. On Thursday, this coming week, at 2:15, I'll personally present a petition before Lady Chief Justice Martha Koome against Justice Esther Maina for her removal from the judiciary for misconduct and corruption. Mimi mwenyewe ndio nitaongoza. Because sasa unajua sasa si ametuuliza. Sasa tuko tayari, mimi ndio nitaongoza kwa executive. Huyo judge through corruption declared my hard-earned wealth proceeds of crime without giving me an opportunity to be heard. Against the rules of evidence, where he who alleges must prove. We made an application to cross-examine the investigator, akakataa kwa sababu anajua there is no case. Na evidence tuko nayo vile ilifanyika. So 2:15 on Thursday, my lawyers are preparing, mimi mwenyewe, because he has challenged us. I think now tufanye kazi sasa. Si tufanye kazi. Pahali sasa tumefika ni sawa ni rais. You know, we were president when you came you are very kind to the judiciary. And the way Mheshimiwa hapa amesema tunaiteach. LSK, when President Uhuru, through impunity, refused to appoint judges, they never said anything. When DCI was carrying out extrajudicial killings in this country, they were quiet. When the leader of opposition said he'll mobilize 1 million people against the judiciary, they were absent. Sasa ndio wako pale. So wacha, na nauliza Wakenya wengine, wale wote wako na petitions against judges, those who may want to join me on Thursday, tupeleke pamoja pale Supreme Court, tuanze kupeleka, aanze kuprocess, na tueleze zile amepata ni ngapi, amefikisha wapi, because he has invited us. That is the forum tutatumia ndio hii Kenya yetu iweze kutembea sawa.
Remember, after the statement of Rigathi Gachagua, what you're seeing today now is that Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi and William Kabogo, they're coming out to respond to Rigathi Gachagua. Ahmed Nasir is saying the Deputy President Gachagua is plainly wrong on this. Justice Mina is a principal judge who has a clean record from the magistracy to the High Court. I have strongly disagreed with her on a few occasions and appeared before her. And I told her in court that I found her too pro-government, but she is not a judge one can accuse of corruption or incompetence. The sentiments by DP Gachagua must, however, be appreciated in light of Chief Justice Come's woeful inability to provide a roadmap to address corruption and incompetence in the judiciary. Come must realize that burying her head in sand won't do it. That is whatever Ahmed Nasir is coming out to, of course, say. At the same time, Nasir is coming out to reveal so. Here, William Kabogo is coming out to hit Rigathi Gachagua. And William Kabogo is saying, if a judge rules against you, makes her corrupt. What a shame, coming from the number 2 of the nation. Karma is a bitch. It shall come back to haunt you. Being DP. That is whatever William Kabogo is coming out to respond to Rigathi Gachagua. Ladies and gentlemen, let us speak the reality. I've realized that if a judge is going to come against you and rule a case against you, then we as Kenyans, we must come out to go against him or her. Come on. We have judiciary, which it is independent. If you feel like Esther Maina did the wrong thing, then the way Rigathi Gachagua is saying, let them assume their files, let them go and accuse Justice Esther Mina, and we see the way things will be. Because what you're seeing is that Rigathi Gachagua is feeling painful because of Justice Esther Mina coming out to give her verdict when it comes to his 200 million Kenyan shillings case. But at the same time, we never understood what happened eventually, because immediately Rigathi Gachagua took over as the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, the case was withdrawn. Does it mean that there is a kind of interference when it comes to our judiciary? Yes, there is an interference. And this interference connects with the way you see the body language of William Ruto, you see the body language of Rigathi Gachagua. In other words, they have realized that they have captured the executive. The way I always say, they have captured the legislature. Now they want judiciary. And because there are some individuals that they are feeling like the individual competency will throw them out from the judiciary. But at the same time, Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi is coming out to say that Kome must realize that burying her head in the sand won't do anything. Let her come out and address this issue. of corruption. Let him let her come out, address the issue of corruption. Let her not come out and bury her head in the sand, because they will be attacked. No one will come out to say anything, and because the judiciary as an arm of the government should be independent, but William Ruto's cronies, they don't want this to be independent. So I think it is so punitive for Rigathi Gachagua to come out and prepare a case against Justice Esther Maina because of his case of 200 million Kenyan shillings that happened during the regime of Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? Drop your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you so much because of great support. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Bye bye till we meet on another video.